How to deactivate Instagram. So the first thing that we'll be doing is go here into our Instagram app, log in into our account, and from here, tap on the profile picture or icon on the bottom right. And then you'll now be here on your profile. And from here, you would want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. And then from here, you would want to tap on Account Center. And in here, you would want to tap on Personal Details and tap on Account Ownership and Control. And from here, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Next is tap on your Instagram account. From here, just choose the Activate account, tap on Continue. And from here, all that's left is to just enter your password. And then after this one is that your account will now be deactivated here on Instagram. So that's all you have to do. Just type your password and tap on Continue. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can deactivate your Instagram. Thank you for watching.